Hi everyone, so in this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Monster Legends in which you can get free unlimited gems and a store that brings you with all the packages for free, so it's also a free store mod as well. So Monster Legends modded version in which you can get free unlimited gems and a free store mod. And this modded version is available and is working on this entire thing and process of downloading it on your phone works for both iOS and Android devices. I'm sorry. So I'm using an iPhone in this video, but that does not matter, like I just said, since this thing works for both iOS and Android devices. And this is the Monster Legends Plus Plus, the modded version of Monster Legends. And as you can see over here, that all the packs are costing me $0. All the packs of gems are costing me $0. That means that I don't have to pay anything to buy anything. I can get all these gems for free by just clicking on them because they're costing me $0. I don't have to go through the payment process or anything like that. As soon as I buy them, I get it into my personal gems. So this is super cool because I don't have to worry about running out of gems at any point in the game, which is why this makes this modded version makes the game a whole lot more easier, fun, and interesting to play in the sense that I can buy all the crazy stuff that I want for free. Because after all, even if my gems are about to finish, I can just come here and buy unlimited amount for free. So it's up to me how energetic I am to keep clicking on these packages to get infinite amount of gems. So you can see I'm just clicking on these packages I'm getting these gems added to my personal gems. Look at that, 17,000, 18,000. It's just like playing with numbers. So this mod version is great. So this is something you should definitely have if you're playing this game, because this way you can get all the crazy stuff that costs you a lot in this game for free. And this way you'll be able to improve your gameplay and your entire profile a lot without making much effort. And so this will make the game a lot more fun for you and a lot more easier for you, and you're going to be a trouble for the rest of the people. So yeah, so we're not seeking trouble, but we're seeking this modded version definitely. So I'm using an iPhone in this video, but that does not matter. Like I just said earlier, that this thing works for both iOS and Android devices. So this is the Monster Legends Plus Plus, the modded version of Monster Legends. So I'll simply show you how to download it. So this is the game icon right under the home icon. So what I'll be doing over here is that I'll simply basically delete it so that I can show you how to download it. So there you go. There you go. I've just deleted it. So now what we have to do is that we have to simply head to our settings, and so once you have opened your settings, scroll down to general settings. This is step 1. Then you scroll down to background app refresh, and you make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. If it's on any other thing, turn it to Wi-Fi and cellular data. It should be on Wi-Fi and cellular data. This is step number 1, which is just for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, skip to step number 2, which is that you go down to your battery settings and you make sure that your low power mod on your Android device and your battery saving mod on your your low power mod on your iOS devices and your battery saving mod on your Android devices is turned off. These are the 2 steps, with step 1 being for iOS devices only and step 2 being for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've completed both the steps, you can simply close the settings and head to the browser, and into the search engine bar of your browser you have to type in basically topinject.site. So it doesn't matter whichever browser you're using, but what matters the most is that into the search engine bar you have to type in topinject.site. And once you've typed in topinject.site and click search, a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way, and this list contains a lot of crazy stuff and cool stuff that you might be interested in to use and to get. But for now we'll just search up the thing into the search bar that we are wanting, and that is Monster Legends. And there you go. In the game description it says free unlimited gems, all items in store are free, works for Android and iOS. So if it's signed or not working, you can just go on to install it and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button. So remember, the injection process may take up to a few minutes, which is why I have just fast forwarded the video over here to make it short. Secondly, remember, there's no need for jailbreaking or rooting over here. It's as simple as I'm showing you it is. And thirdly, once you've completed the injection process, once the injection process finishes, you'll be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is super easy and super cool, and I'll show you how to complete it, so don't worry, just bear with me. So what I have to do over here is that I have to install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. So I'm being offered a wide range of offers with instructions, out of which I have to complete 2. So definitely I'm going to go for the 2 easiest of all the instructions. So my first one is going to be Social Calendar. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds as per their instructions. So speaking of the sources of these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using the Android device. Secondly, they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I'll run it for 40 to 50 seconds, and I would advise you guys to do the same as well, so that I'm properly sure that I've completed the offer properly. I just fast forwarded the video over there, although I ran it for 40 to 50 seconds. I've completed my instruction number 1. I'm going to go for an instruction number 2, which is going to be probably this one, fetch rewards for me. It's another similar kind of an instruction. I have to simply install this app and run it for 30 seconds on my mobile phone. So again, I'm going to run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the offer, and would advise you guys to do the same as well. Slip of tongue, guys. Sorry. So, and once your contents are downloaded, you can delete these extra apps, because these apps are mostly unnecessary and end up occupying space for no reason. And once you've done that, boom, your Monster Legends Plus Plus will be downloaded after you've completed both your injection process and your offers. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll catch you next time in another cool video. Until then, take care. Bye.